it's one thing to say, okay, we're going to take this corporation and we're going to switch it, using automation to something that, is fully automated. And I just think that for a lot of corporations, that's the wrong approach. You don't want to go from, no automation to full automation. You need a place where, you can use technology, use modern technology, and upgrade your process, upgrade your supply chain without diving in full bore into, a full robotics system.
Can you explain how a pick-to-light or put-to-light system, a wireless pick-to-light, put-to-light system would work in conjunction with robotics and a hybrid solution?
Yeah, so I think that you're absolutely right. There's a place for robotic systems and our technology at the same time. And I think Kenco is a great example of that, right? So whichever company you have, you can have a whole fleet of robots. You're still going to have manual process within, any warehouse is going to have manual process. There's no warehouse that has lights out operation, and it's not commercially feasible to have that today. So there's always going to be interaction between, the robots and the people, right? And our product has a role to play there, as SVT has shown. We offer an interface for, the robot to the people. They have our devices both on the robots, but also on the slots that the robots are lining up in front of. So that's one aspect. But then you also have to consider that, as I said, not everything is picked by robots, and the robots, are not going to go into every aisle. So there are other places where you might have a put wall, for example. I think Kenco is a great example where, they've got a put wall alongside a whole bunch of robots. And, that put wall, you can sort of do productivity analysis, but they're getting an enormous bang for their buck in putting up that put wall. And I anticipate that they'll install a hell of a lot more put walls similar to the one that they've got at Kenco in a lot of their other warehouses where they have robots as well. It's not an all or nothing solution here. I think that there are a lot of things that make sense to be picked by hand, a lot of things that the robots are going to help with, but our devices have a role to play, whether it's hand-picked or robotic.